Welcome to ClickMyProject. The abstract of this project is cloud state data storage has provided significant benefits by allowing users to store massive amount of data on demand in a cost-effective manner to protect the privacy of the data stored in the cloud. Cryptographic rule-based access control scheme have been developed to ensure that data only be accessed by those who are allowed by access policies. However, these cryptographic approaches do not address the issues. Trust in this paper, we propose trust model to the reasons about systems that use cryptographic airbag schemes. The trust model provides an approach for the owner and roles to determine the trustworthiness of individual roles and user, respectively, in the airbag system. The proposed test model take into account role inheritance and hierarchy in the evaluation of trustworthiness of rules. We present a design of trust-based cloud storage system which shows how trust model can be integrated into considered practical applications scenario and illustrate how trust evaluation can be used to reduce the risk and enhance quality of decision making by data owner and roles of cloud storage services. The next title is flow diagram. In the flow diagram, data owner upload the file. That file set and its index are stored in the cloud. If a data user wants to retrieve top key relevant file based on a keyword, he first obtains authentication from the data owner and then receives the keys to encrypt the keyword. Then the data user send encrypted key to cloud. The cloud perform the operation for ranking function. Finally, cloud send the top key relevant files to data user. Now we start the demo of the project. Click this image. This form contains user receive files. This form goes to only new user, not allowed this form. Already registered user, only allowed. So new user come to the form. So click the browse button. This form contains username, ID, date, mail ID. Suppose new user come to the project, enter the name, ID, date of his personal details. So enter the name. LSM is the username and give the user ID 1 2. Date is the current date. And his mail ID el@gmail.com. Click the submit button to register in the database. Database updated successfully. So click OK button. Suppose the user detail is not correct, redact the form. So now the user give the name and mail ID. Elysium and his mail ID. Login and next click the server button. So this button is used for start the server. The purpose of this button is a client need some file, so click this buttons. Server has some attentions, so client need the request and get the file, so click the start server button and server have attention. And another one, click the client button. So click the client button, start the chit chat and type and press enter key. So client sent a message to server. So this message is sent to server. Client need file. So server send the file to client. And otherwise some process is going. And click the search file button for user need the file from server. So click the search file button. This button is used for new user receive the file. Suppose data owner upload the file. Now we start the process. That process, the data owner upload the file in the cloud. This form is used for data owner which file upload in the cloud. So select the file for which is the particular file stored in the cloud. Click the browse button. I choose the Abdul Kalam files. This is the file content. That file is uploaded in the cloud. So click the file upload button. File name is Abdul Kalam. And file ID 17. File key I using in this program this algorithm. So file key length must be 8 character. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. Click the encryption button. The file is encrypted. And another one, click the confirmation button. This button is used for data is stored in the database. So file is stored in the database. Suppose new user need the files from server. Click this form. This form is user search file. Give the file name, file ID. I give the file name computer. And this file ID, I don't know file ID, so click the file list button. This button has one file name, file ID, file key. This form is used for user get the original file. This place is used for encrypting key. Display the encrypting key. This is the encrypting key. And click the encryption files. Click the decryption button. The file is decryption. And click the view data. The file original file is viewed in this form. This is the original file of the computer. The project is over.